I used to hear this all the time in Jamaica, and I actually believed it growing up. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Renee Rowena back at it with another video. Today I'll be sharing some Jamaican superstition with you guys, so stay tuned. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit that like button and turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified each time I post. Also, please hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. I used to hear this all the time in Jamaica, and I actually believed it growing up. If you open umbrella in the house, you're not gonna married. My grandma will always say, don't open the umbrella in the house. Bad luck. If lizard jump on you, you're pregnant. You are breed. So in Jamaica we say breed for you know, just a substitute for pregnant. It's the same thing. Breed, yeah, breed, you're pregnant. The same thing. You know, set me up this a while ago, me and Cindy under the tree and lizard jump on her. Rotted. So we know what that mean. Gala breed, man, the gala. This one I believed so much growing up. If you're on me glass scratcher, you are gonna get money. You just feel it on me glass scratches, scratches, scratches. In Jamaica, people will always say, yeah man, a good thing man, you're gonna get money. Another one is, if you walk under leather, bad luck are gonna follow you. This is a very good one. Well, a very funny one. If a bird poo on you, that's just basically good luck. You don't know, so me I walk out this a while ago and the bird shit on me. A good luck, man. I honestly can't remember if I believed this one while growing up, but anyways, you guys. And this one is for the females, okay? Don't hold a baby or a newborn when you're on your period, because the baby's tummy will hurt. I don't know if we still believe in these things, but growing up as a child, they tell us some things to strike some fear inside of us. Like, it's ridiculous, but also funny. Guys, I left Zayn just 5 minutes ago. I put him to bed, you know, he needs to get his little nap. And I told myself, okay, I'm gonna get 15 minutes, just 15 minutes to, you know, make this video, and then I have to probably edit it or whatnot, but you know, just 5 minutes into the video and look on me. Like every time I take up the camera and said, okay, I'm gonna vlog, I'm gonna make a video, Zayn just wanna be on me, just like, oh my goodness. There's no break, y'all, no break. Anyways, let's get back into this video. If you see a black bat in your house, it's one of your dead relative. You know, look a bat them we used to fly around at night time. Yeah, them seem like a bat there. Oh my god, I believe this one growing up as a child, and I used to be so afraid of these bats. Jesus, goodness me. I'm curious to them itch up in a one corner or somewhere. You're not running me now, you're not licking, because you know your head of your in your head of your dead relative, and trust me, you know want trouble duppy. Nobody no want trouble duppy. This one also I used to believe while growing up. So funny. Whenever you go to a night or set up, some people call it. Are you done? Are you done? Whenever you got night or set, some people call it setup. If you go there, when you're leaving, you best believe you have to spin around 3 times. Some people say walk go on my yard backwards, but nobody now really walk go on backwards, because that will look ridiculous. But I'm pretty sure most people do the spin. You know, the turn, they spin around 3 times, because according to them, the ghost walk in a straight line. Duppy walk in a straight line, so you have to spin 3 times and last them. This one I believe growing up, y'all. That's just one of our common superstition in Jamaica. Zayn, can I talk? This is my show. Can I talk? Can I talk? Are you done? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. If you wash your face with what are you doing? You need to create your own channel. That's what you need to do. Okay? If you wash your face with rice water, you are going to see dopey. This is a very common one. And I believed it while growing up. So I wouldn't dare wash my face in rice water because I don't want to see a ghost. If you dream about a wedding, there's gonna be a funeral in the family. If you dream about a funeral, somebody's gonna get married or a baby's gonna be born in the family. And this one goes vice versa. As a child, I used to hear this one a lot, but now that I'm looking back at it, it is so funny. It is so funny, you guys. Okay, pregnant woman of stay up in a tree because them baby with born cross eye. And for all of you who don't know what cross eye mean, it's how am I gonna explain this? You know, some people, they're like oh my goodness, they're looking straight ahead. Okay, see, I'm looking directly in the camera. Their eyes will be like going in a different direction, so you don't know where they're looking. You don't know their point of focus. You don't know, like, they're looking at you, but okay, so they're facing you, but their eyes are like, and I'm not bashing anyone, I'm just trying to explain. I just find it funny how I'm trying to explain to you guys. So they're looking directly at you and they're talking to you, right? So you will think they're looking at you. I mean, they are looking at you, but their eyes are like the right eye is that direction, the left eye is that direction. Their eyes is just a little bit confusing to you because you don't know their point of focus. I hope I didn't do too bad with that explanation. I'm sorry. But you can look it up. Pregnant woman of stare up in a tree because them baby with born cross eye. Don't stare up in the tree if you're pregnant. I was so afraid of this one growing up. You should never point at a tomb, or when you're in a cemetery, do not point at the grave because your finger will rotten. If you point on the grave or the tomb, your finger will rotten off. Back home we have cemetery just like here in Canada where we bury our loved ones, but also we have especially in the countryside, we have some households, some family member, they have the grave in the backyard or in the side of the yard or somewhere in the yard. So we call them grave or tomb. I believe mostly tomb, especially in the country area. So they'll tell us, don't point at the grave or don't point at the tomb because your finger will rotten off. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, did I believe this. I will never. And I think if you actually end up pointing at the grave or the tomb, bite your 10 finger. So basically you have to do you have to do you have to do that. You have to bite your 10 finger if you accidentally pointed at a grave or a tomb. At every grave digging or nine night, you would see the workers or the family member, they pour a little of the white rum, you know, on the earth. Some people say they're giving, you tired, baby? Some people say they're giving some of the white rum to their family member, and some people said it's just for safety, so no accident will happen at the grave digging. And last but not least, if a baby girl resembles her dad, she's gonna be lucky. And if a baby boy resembles his mom, he's gonna be lucky. As a child, you know, listening to these superstitions, I would believe them. Like most of them I believed, you know. You're young, adults telling you stuff, you believe it, right? But now that I'm really, you know, going through or reading some of these superstitions, or, you know, just really thinking about it, it's, most of them are so funny, you guys. Like, what about you? Do you guys find these superstitions like funny, or do you still believe in them? Like, I find most of them so funny. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give my little man some love. Thanks for tuning in with me today. Please comment down below your favorite superstition or superstitions, and please, if I haven't mentioned any that you're aware of, or another one that please drop it in a comment below. Be sure to read them. And once again, thanks for all the support. Thanks for subscribing to my channel if you have, and for those who are watching but have not subscribed, I still appreciate you. You support me just by watching. So yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Say thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave those comments down below. Please like, comment. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.